Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix this app has been blocked by your system administrator error in your Windows 11 or 10. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can try to do is to restart your Windows 10 or 11 PC. So when you get this app has been blocked by your system administrator error, you should reboot your PC. So doing so allows you to fix many minor problems on your computer, so some of which may be causing your application not to open. So just make sure to save your unsaved work before rebooting your PC or you risk losing your work. So to do that, just open the start menu and select the power icon, so right here, and then just choose restart in the power menu and just relaunch the app when your PC reboots. And then next, what you can do is to unblock the app. So Windows security feature blocks certain files, so especially the ones downloaded from the internet. So in this case, you'll have to unblock your app file before the app can launch. So you can do that by using the Windows option as explained right here. So right click onto your app and then just simply choose properties from the menu and access the general tab in the properties and enable the unblock option. So right here, this is the unblock option. So select apply and then OK to save your changes, and then after that just launch the app. And then lastly, what you can do here is to run the app using command prompt. So if you have trouble launching your app from the file explorer, try accessing the app via the command prompt. So this method uses your app's path and allows you to access the app. So right click onto your app shortcut and choose properties and then access the shortcut tab. So here's a shortcut tab as shown in the photo and copy the path displayed in the target box. And after that, just close properties and select OK, and right click onto the start menu icon and select the command prompt. And after that, just simply press Ctrl V on the command prompt window to paste your app's path and then press enter, so the command prompt will launch your specified app. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.